swear out.
We're on season 39, baby. Amazing Race.
My name's Daisha.
And I'm Dalton.
And we are going to be on the upcoming season of The Amazing Race.
Let's go.
And we want to tell y'all a little bit about our experience getting on the race. So you stand up there.
We gotta grab a chair.
So when a lot of people audition for a reality show and they get a call back, they're like, heck, we made it. We're on the show. We did it. Everything's done. It's not like that at all. In fact,
It's actually the opposite.
It's the opposite. I like to think of it as the first leg of the race.
So here we go.
First things first, you make an audition video.
That's what we did. We actually did it like right over there.
Yeah.
We're just gonna
say, please pick us.
Please pick us.
We put in the audition video and we forgot about it.
We were overseas in Laos. In the middle of the night, we get a call. Actually, no, we don't get a call. We get an email. I look at it and I'm like,
I sent The Amazing Race to voicemail. What the crap, y'all? When you get that call and it says it's a spam, just answer it.
I've never seen Daisha put on makeup so fast because within almost that next breath, we called her.
We had a FaceTime call.
Yeah, we called her.
Listen, I know these people are like, natural beauty and all that crap. I'm from Alabama and I don't get on TV, and you said that I'm gonna have a FaceTime call with a casting producer. You best believe I'm gonna put on some makeup. So we got contacted and we were like, this is it. We're on the show,
We have a secret. We have a secret. We can't talk about it. Confidential. But we can do this. So we're gonna do this.
No. Leg one has started. As soon as you get contacted, it's time to do some paperwork because you gotta make,
Paperwork.
We're supposed to print off a bunch of papers and sign it. We were in Laos, y'all. And
These guys didn't understand what I was saying.
in like a village. We're in like a village in Laos and they want us to print off these papers. So we're going around the streets of Laos trying to find someone that can print something for us. We did not find it. So we ended up in Bangkok and we got the papers printed at the Bangkok airport. We just stopped at the sleep box because we had to print out our Amazing Grace application form. So right now it's the end of February 2025. This will probably be posted maybe this time next year if we get on the show. Yeah, so I'm pumped. I grew up watching the show with my family, and then traveling is like, I love it. I love culture. I love challenges. Oh man, I really hope we get on. We got flown out to California to do some interviews to see, I guess, to prove that we were real people. It's nerve-wracking, it's scary, and we tried to practice. There's several things that we did trying to get used to being in front of people.
We had a laptop set up and it had just a screen of people staring right back at us, like a serious face like this.
And that's just what you gotta do. We flew to California and they put us in a room, and it was the craziest thing because we're in this room and then all of a sudden we get a knock on the door. And it's Alex Stern and Jesse Tannenbaum.
I don't think we even put our bags down yet.
So the craziest thing just happened. Right as soon as we got our food, we took one bite into our sandwich and then we got a knock on the door.
First off, I just woke up.
Yeah, Daisha just woke up and
I woke up.
Jesse and Alex were at the door. They stayed in here for like 15 minutes talking about what's going on tomorrow and gave us some tips and some tidbits.
So we did the audition in California, we flew home, and we're anxiously waiting.
Did we do good? I do not know.
I don't know. Yeah, it was about a week and a half until we heard back. Eventually we got a phone call.
And we're sitting and we're told to redo this certain part, and guess what happens?
You swear, Alex?
Let's go!
Wait, where's he going? Where's he going? Bye. Babe,
We're gonna be on The Amazing Race season 39.
Season 39.
Oh, he's got that sneaky smile.
Are you got something going on?
Yes! All right! Yes! Oh!
Look, he had that grin on his face.
Yes!
We're on season 39, baby. Amazing Race.
All right, so now we're told that we're on the show, and you know what that means. That training.
Yeah.
That training, man.
Step 1 complete. We got the confirmation. Step 2, we gotta know how to, I don't know.
We gotta know how to do
train.
stuff.
We gotta know how to do things.
Together
Yeah,
and by ourselves.
as a couple
Yep.
and individual. So the audition process, getting on The Amazing Race, is a process. It is leg 1 of the race, as I like to call it. And even though it had a lot of ups and downs to it, it's a lot of fun. And what's really fun is when we got that confirmation that we were actually gonna be on the race.
We were on top of the world, man.
We were on top of the world. We still can't believe it, and it's already happened. It is time to train.
It's game time.
And we're gonna tell you a little bit about how we did that. For now, you know, we're just gonna have to tell you a different time. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to our YouTube channel where we do travel adventures and, you know, it's just, we have a good time. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and we will do our best to answer all of them. I say that, there'll probably be 2 comments, but hey, we'll answer all of them.
That's right.
If you are watching this video, we would love to connect with you and know where you're from and even know a little bit about your story. So please comment, tell us where you're from, tell us if you want to be on The Amazing Race, if you want to be on a reality show, tell us if you're going to watch this season. Tell us if you're not going to watch this season.
Tell us everything.
Just tell us, okay? Just tell us a little bit. Hey y'all, if you sit like this for a while, it's called the Asian squat. It's a good workout. But you do it too long, you turn into an Asian.
Ni hao.